Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf cart, full guide. Start by disconnecting the battery and wearing safety gloves. We will walk step by step through diagnostics, battery care, brake and wheel repairs, motor checks, and routine maintenance. I will show how to test batteries with a multimeter, inspect wiring for corrosion, and adjust brakes safely. Follow along at your own pace and pause after each section to try repairs. Start by testing each battery cell with a multimeter to read open circuit voltage and underload voltage. Clean corroded terminals using a brush and baking soda solution, and tighten all clamps securely. Charge batteries with the manufacturer's recommended charger and settings, and monitor for overheating. Replace any battery that fails to hold charge or shows large voltage differences between cells. Label battery positions to avoid mixing cells. Check brakes by inspecting pads, drums, and cables for wear and proper clearance. Adjust brake cables to remove excess travel and ensure smooth engagement. Lubricate wheel bearings, check tire pressure, and replace worn tires. Align steering components if pulling occurs and tighten loose hardware. Test drive slowly after adjustments and check brakes for heat or noise. Keep a maintenance log to track service intervals and parts replaced. Inspect brake fluid reservoirs on hydraulic systems regularly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.